Hi everyone, welcome to Clove and Cumin. Today we're making a strawberry mojito mocktail, which is perfect as a non-alcoholic Valentine's Day drink. To begin, place 4 chopped strawberries and some mint leaves in a bowl and muddle it well. The more you mash, the tastier this drink. Now layer the muddled strawberries and mint in a glass with ice cubes. You can place slices of lime and cut out strawberries on the sides to make this drink even more festive. Now add about 2 tablespoons of strawberry syrup and a squeeze of lime. Top up with 7-Up or Sprite and garnish with some fresh mint, and you're done. And there you have it, an incredibly delicious yet impressive strawberry mocktail. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Happy Valentine's Day!